In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an email with your colleagues using Zoho Mail, a powerful email platform that's known for its seamless integration with team collaboration tools. Sharing emails with your colleagues can be incredibly useful, whether you're collaborating on a project, managing a team, or just need to ensure everyone is on the same page. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're in, direct yourself to the inbox. This is where all your received emails are stored, and from here we can easily access the email you want to share. Click on the Inbox option found on the left side of the interface. It's usually marked clearly to help you find your emails swiftly. Now browse through your emails and select the email you wish to share. Click on it to open it and ensure it's the correct one you want to distribute to your colleagues. When you have the email open, look for the sharing icon. It's typically displayed among the options in the email toolbar, often resembling a connected dot symbol or chain link. Clicking this will activate the sharing functionality Zoho provides. This is a handy feature that allows you to share important information without needing to forward or copy and paste content, which can sometimes result in format loss or errors. Once the sharing option is active, you'll be prompted to enter the users you want to share the email with. Start by typing in the names or email addresses of your colleagues in the provided field. Zoho Mail might suggest contacts as you type, which can be a real time saver if you're dealing with several team members. Take a moment here to double check that you're selecting the right people, as sharing emails accidentally can lead to awkward situations with information landing in unintended inboxes. After ensuring the correct recipients are added, it's time to share the email. There should be an option labeled Share One Emails for you to click. Zoho then takes care of the rest, seamlessly showing the email content on the recipient's end, ensuring everyone's looped in without disruption. Sharing emails within Zoho Mail is a straightforward process and immensely beneficial in a collaborative environment. However, it's always worth keeping in mind your organization's email sharing policies and the importance of maintaining confidentiality when necessary. This practice ensures that sensitive information is protected and only reaches those intended. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions about Zoho Mail or other email functions, feel free to reach out or look for additional resources provided by Zoho. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day collaborating using Zoho Mail.